Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline and this is Lowcarblish. If you're new here, this is the channel where we make low carb versions of our favorite high carb foods to try to control our blood sugar and reverse type 2 diabetes. If you're already in the family, welcome back. So I think the other day when I did a video, I told you guys that there was going to be a big surprise around this video on Tuesday. And so that is true, and this is the big surprise. So, Jenny is going to actually be making a recipe for us today.
Hello!
This is a recipe that she came over here one day and she said, I want to make something for you. I've been making it for my family and I figured out how to do low carb for you. And she made this for me and it was amazing. And she wanted me to do the recipe and put it on the channel, and I was like, this is your recipe. I think you can totally do it. So she has agreed to get out from behind the camera and do the recipe for you guys today. So this is her very first time ever doing this, so I know y'all are going to be sweet and loving and supportive of her. And it really is, it's an amazing recipe. So I'm going to get on the other side of the camera and let Miss Jenny take it away.
Today we're using Crepinis. We're using Alfredo sauce, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, Italian seasoning. You can also use fresh parsley if you want and just finely chop that. We've got ricotta cheese, spinach, you can use fresh or frozen, 2 cups of rotisserie chicken, and 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. You could use Italian or whatever your preference is with the cheese. The amounts are going to be down below, so don't worry about that. First, we're going to put a little bit of our sauce in the bottom of our pan. So we're going to put some of this in here. It doesn't have to be a lot. You just want to kind of smooth it out on the bottom so your crepinis aren't sticking, because you don't want sticky crepinis. And so now that we've got this smoothed out here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and mix the rest of this. I'm just going to dump it in with my chicken. And I'm just doing that so the chicken is moist, because nobody likes dry chicken. Just gonna stir this up a little bit. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and mix together the ricotta sauce. So we're going to put the ricotta, the spinach, the Parmesan. I was about to dump the mozzarella in there, but you don't want to do that. You might regret that later. And during this part, this is also where you could go ahead and add, if you had fresh parsley, you could put that in there. But I'm going to be using Italian seasoning. I got 2 tablespoons of it. And you want to put the egg in there as well. You can kind of whisk it up if you want. I'm just going to kind of whisk it on the side a little bit with my spatula, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it in. Easy. You know, you're just kind of winging it as you go. It's going to be delicious and nutritious. So this is starting to look kind of yummy and creamy and spinachy and all that good stuff that we like. Alright, so this looks good. Macy thinks that it looks really good.
Double thumbs up.
Yes. So, I'm going to go ahead and put my, let's see if I can finagle all this. And start building the layers. So the crepinis are cut in half, and we're going to put them with the cut side out, just so it's all nice and uniform up against the casserole dish. So you're going to use 4, and then 1 should cover up this little hole that we got going on in the middle. They're really thin. That's something that kind of struck me about these. I really like the taste of them. They're pretty delicious. And they're easy, and things like this, you know, part of eating a healthy lifestyle and a low carb lifestyle, it's really hard for me sometimes. But when I can do things that are easy, that helps me stay on plan a lot better. And I have a lot of people in my family who they don't eat low carb, but when I cook things like this for them, they're really on board with it and they really like it. There's no complaints, and that makes me really happy. So next we've got the Alfredo sauce in the bottom. Then we have a layer of crepinis. There's 5 of them. We're gonna start by putting a little bit of the chicken next. I'm just gonna make sure it's like mixed up pretty good. As it is, so. We're just gonna smooth it out. We're going to add our spinach ricotta mixture on top. Something like this I think would be really good with a salad if you wanted just something extra on the side, but to me just by itself too it's really good. It's really filling. And 1 serving fills me up pretty well. Alright, that looks beautiful. Let's top it with some cheese. I'm a cheese monster. It's my favorite food, I think. Alright, now we're going to do another layer of our crepini, and we're going to just do like we did last time. Put the little nice pretty cut edges on the outside. And use 1 to cover up our little window, our cheese window. Yep. Grab your chicken. Spoon the rest of your chicken out. You know, if you're feeling froggy and you want to go spinach chicken or chicken spinach, that's up to you. That's why I said it's easy. Just kind of wing your layers and make them look pretty. All right, so we're just spreading this out. It's starting to look scrumptious. I think I'm going to do a little bit of mozzarella. I'm going to sprinkle a little mozzarella on right here because, like I said, I'm a cheese monster. And I may have a little extra at the end, so why don't we just go ahead and use it up now. Alright. And I'm going to add another layer of this crepini. I just want to finish on top with the spinach, just because I want the crepini to stay moist. I don't want to finish last with the crepini. Okay. So this is going to be the top part. We're gonna put the ricotta and the mozzarella. We're gonna finish up with all this mozzarella on top. So once you get the last bit of your cheese on this and you put it in the oven, it's just going to take about 30 minutes. It's not bad at all. You can have this fixed pretty quickly. I'm going to sprinkle it with our cheese. Mwah. Lovely. Let's put it in the oven and we'll be back and you guys can watch me eat it. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you that you need to be preheating your oven to 350 while you're preparing all this loveliness. And now that the oven is warm, I'm going to stick this in and we'll be back in about 30 minutes and we'll do a taste test and it's going to be wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment I've been waiting impatiently for. So we're just going to take this out, have a good look-see at it. It looks beautiful. It's nice and bubbly. The cheese is melted. Beautimous. So we're going to let this rest because it's probably volcanically hot right now. We're going to let this rest for about 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll be back and we'll do the taste test. Alright, so we're back. We let this cool off for about 10 minutes and I served myself and Jacqueline a portion and we're going to test it and let you guys know how it is.
I'm excited, y'all, because I know it's going to be good.
It smells really good.
I know it's going to be good. And it does. It smells amazing. Your kitchen is going to smell incredible when you make this.
It's nice and cheesy.
And then, oh my gosh, look at all that cheese in there. Yes.
It's really good.
Y'all know how much I love cheese. Jenny's a cheese monster too, but I think I am tied with her.
You like it?
And,
Good.
Y'all. I'm not even kidding. Y'all really need to make this. It is so good. And the carbs are low on it. It is so filling. And it makes 6 servings and you can see they're really nice size servings. So I'm going to take another bite out of this. I got a bite in Macy's bowl cooling off. We're going to let her come in here. I had to put her up in the other room for a few minutes because Miss Thing started barking uncontrollably right in the middle of it. So I may put that little blooper at the end of the reel here so you can see when she started acting up. So I'll put her in her house for a little while and get ready to let her out and let her taste this because I know she can smell it. But I'm telling y'all, it is so kind of good. You did a fantastic job too. You really did. You did a fantastic job. And if y'all think she did a fantastic job, how about leaving some comments down below for her? I gotta have one more bite.
Thank you. It was really fun to make this, and thank you guys for watching me make it. I hope everybody likes it. It's like comfort food. It's really good.
It really, really, really is. So we'll be back in just a few minutes with Ms. Macy. You want to try your taste test? You do? You think it's so delicious? I'm telling you, it's fabulous. It's fabulous, little girl. You're gonna love it. Yes. Oh, my goodness, do you even taste it? Oh, she likes that, Jimmy. Oh my goodness. Very delicious. It was very good. Get every last drop, huh? Wow, she loves that.
You love that, Macy.
Yes.
Is it good? Is it good?
Sit. Macy, come. Good girl. you want to do a spin? Come. Spin. Yes!
Good
job. Sit. Very nice. Shake. Yes! Very nice. Very, very nice. Good girl. Good job. And we're off. Take 3. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is... Now you're going to be a young lady, Macy. Just cut it off for a minute.
Your hand.